Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today the title of this video is about how you can create Shopify store with the help of Lovable AI in just a few minutes, with the help of just a few clicks. Okay, so first of all let's go to Lovable AI where we are going to perform these things. So I'm going for Lovable AI. This is the link from where you can access your Lovable AI, lovable.dev. If you type this address in your browser, you will directly reach to this page. Okay, first of all, you must have an account on Lovable AI. I have already logged into my Lovable AI account. If you are new on this website, you can simply sign up with your Google account, or you can also create your account manually by entering your email and password, and then you will get an OTP on your email, and after the verification of that OTP, your account will be successfully created free of cost at Lovable AI. This is the basic overall layout of this website. Okay, you can see that I have already created two prototypes here. Okay, so today I will show you how you can create Shopify store. You can also see made some prototypes by some users. Okay, you can also use them and customize them, but we are going to create our custom Shopify store. So we are going to create a Shopify store for our you can say different kinds of beauty creams. Okay, so I'm going to write create working Shopify store minimalistic design, and Shopify store is about different kinds of beauty creams. So after writing this prompt, you can just simply click on this arrow button, or you can also press the enter button. It will start creating a Shopify store as per your prompt. But if you want to create a more accurate version of your thoughts, like you want to convert your thoughts into actually working Shopify store, you can take the help of ChatGPT for creating a custom prompts for you. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with this one because I'm going to show you how this thing works for creating a Shopify store. So I will just hit this arrow button. So after doing this step, it will start thinking about our prompt, and it will create some ideas, and then we have to give them some permissions that it will ask in our this preview in the prompt section, and it will start creating our website. It will take around like 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so it has thought for 18 seconds, and then I will create a beautiful minimalistic beauty cream e-commerce store inspired by high-end brands like Glossier and Aesop. Okay, so the design plan is about clean, minimalistic aesthetic with soft neutrals. Okay, so generous white space, subtle shadows. These are the design plan it has shown us, and there are the features that is going to include in our website. So it has start building, and it is in editing process. So after taking some time, it has successfully created a website for us, e-commerce website, and these are the features that are included in this. Okay, so as you can see that this is the basic and attractive minimalistic design for our e-commerce store, and as you can see the beautiful products are displayed here with the price tagging as well. Okay, you can just simply replace them and connect them with your Shopify account, and it will ready to use. And if you want to publish your this design, so you can just simply click on this publish button, and it will easily publish it on your Shopify, connected with Shopify store, and it's ready to use. If you want to make some changes inside it, you can also do some changes. If you want to if you want to do, you can you simply have to write your prompts here, and it will start the editing. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.